Airtight food storage containers. GladWare is your kitchen ally. Airtight food storage containers extend the lifetime of your leftovers and reduce mess. Perfect for the meal prep maven, lunchbox packing expert, or freezer filling guru. The Home Collection, high-end in both looks and functionality, the GladWare Home Collection brings new meaning to the term food styling. These meal prep containers feature a distinct copper metallic lid, so there's no risk of a container mix-up. Top rack dishwasher safe. GladWare food containers resist heat and withstand moisture, making them safe to use on the top rack of your dishwasher. Glad is here to minimize mess and make cleanup a breeze. Interlocking lids. Interlocking lids alleviate the frustration of endlessly searching for the right size lid. Stackable containers and lids keep your cupboards neat and organized, saving you time and space. Microwave safe. Glad containers won't melt or warp in the microwave, making it easier than ever to keep your kitchen mess-free. Store, heat, and eat right out of GladWare. Simply lift one corner of the lid before microwaving. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. I was looking for 4-oz containers for my baby's puree food, leftovers, and/or fruits and veggies that I have sliced so that I could puree them for my baby. When I searched, they sell tons with 24 containers of 4-oz, and because I added the word baby, it is more expensive. That's when I thought that I'll search for just regular 4-oz containers. I am so glad I did so and that I found this. I can feel that the material used was durable. It is microwavable and it helps me figure out how much food I need for my baby or how much 4-oz is. Also, the lid does not come off easily. It is also not heavy on the pocket. Just perfect.